Looking to shed a few pounds and live a longer, healthier life? What if I told you that drinking just 1 cup of a simple, homemade liquid could help you achieve both? The mystery drink I'm talking about is bone broth, a nutrient-packed concoction that's been a staple in traditional diets for centuries. How can this humble soup base help with weight loss and longevity? It all comes down to its unique nutritional profile, particularly its high content of glycine, an amino acid known to support gut health. Could this be the game changer you've been searching for? Let's find out. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Bone broth is a hearty, nutrient-rich liquid made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue, typically from beef, chicken, or fish, in water. This slow cooking process, which can last several hours or even days, allows the bones to release a wealth of nutrients and minerals into the broth. These nutrients include collagen, gelatin, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, key building blocks for healthy bones, skin, and joints. What's particularly intriguing about bone broth is its history. Across various cultures, people have used it for both culinary and medicinal purposes, valuing its deep flavor and supposed healing properties. It's more than just a tasty soup base, it's a centuries-old remedy that has stood the test of time. Compared to regular broths or stocks, bone broth is unique in its concentration of glycine, an amino acid known for its role in gut health and healing. This sets it apart as a potent source of wellness benefits. Bone broth is more than just a warm, comforting beverage, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. One of its key components is collagen, a protein that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. When collagen is broken down through slow simmering, it forms gelatin, which gives bone broth its thick texture and contributes to its gut healing properties. Another standout nutrient in bone broth is glycine, an amino acid that serves many important functions in the body. Glycine is known to help repair the lining of the gut, which can be damaged by poor diet, stress, birth control, or antibiotics. A healthy gut lining is crucial for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. When this lining is compromised, it can lead to a condition known as leaky gut, which may cause inflammation and other health issues. Bone broth is also rich in essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are critical for bone health and overall bodily function. These minerals are released from the bones during the simmering process, infusing the broth with a natural source of these nutrients. The unique combination of these components gives bone broth its remarkable ability to support weight loss and overall health. By providing a sense of satiety and helping to reduce inflammation, bone broth can be a valuable addition to any weight loss plan. Additionally, its rich mineral content supports bone health, while glycine contributes to improved sleep and reduced stress. These factors make bone broth a compelling choice for anyone seeking a natural way to boost their health and well-being. Let's discuss bone broth for gut health. Gut health plays a central role in our overall well-being. A healthy gut can improve digestion, boost the immune system, and even enhance mood. But the gut lining is delicate and can be easily damaged by factors like poor diet, stress, birth control, or antibiotics. When the gut lining is compromised, it can lead to issues like inflammation, leaky gut, and digestive discomfort. Bone broth offers a natural solution to support gut health. It contains glycine, an amino acid known for its healing properties. Glycine helps repair the gut lining, allowing it to better protect against harmful substances and support proper digestion. By reinforcing the gut barrier, bone broth can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthier digestive system. Drinking bone broth during fasting periods or as part of your regular diet can also help reduce hunger and stabilize blood sugar levels. This is because glycine has a calming effect on the nervous system, which can help curb cravings and reduce stress-related eating. When you drink bone broth, you're not just getting a dose of glycine, you're also receiving beneficial nutrients like collagen, gelatin, and essential minerals. These components work together to create a healthier gut environment, leading to improved digestion and overall health. If you're looking for a natural way to enhance your gut health, bone broth might be the answer. Now let's discuss bone broth for weight loss. Weight loss isn't just about cutting calories. It's also about choosing the right foods to support your body's natural processes. Bone broth can play a significant role in this, thanks to its unique blend of nutrients and its ability to promote feelings of fullness. When you're trying to lose weight, hunger and cravings are common obstacles. Bone broth helps with this in a few key ways. First, its high protein content, especially from collagen and gelatin, can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on less healthy options. This makes it easier to stick to your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Additionally, bone broth can support metabolic health. Glycine, one of the amino acids found in bone broth, has been shown to help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce insulin spikes. This can help prevent energy crashes and keep your metabolism steady throughout the day, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Another advantage of bone broth is its versatility. You can drink it on its own, use it as a base for soups and stews, or incorporate it into other dishes. This flexibility allows you to add bone broth to your diet without much effort, making it a simple yet effective tool for weight loss. If you're looking for a natural way to curb hunger and support a healthy metabolism, bone broth could be the key to your success. Bone broth and longevity. When it comes to living a long and healthy life, gut health and reduced inflammation play crucial roles. Bone broth, with its unique blend of nutrients, can be a valuable ally in promoting longevity and overall well-being. One of the key benefits of bone broth is its high content of collagen and gelatin. These proteins support joint health, helping to reduce stiffness and discomfort that can come with aging. By maintaining healthy joints, you're more likely to stay active and mobile as you get older, which is essential for a longer, healthier life. The glycine in bone broth isn't just good for gut health, it also has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various age-related diseases, including heart disease, arthritis, and diabetes. By incorporating bone broth into your diet, you may help reduce inflammation and lower your risk of these conditions. Another aspect of longevity is immune health. Bone broth contains essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are known to support a healthy immune system. A strong immune system can help you ward off illnesses and infections, allowing you to live a healthier, more resilient life. By drinking just 1 cup of bone broth a day, you can tap into these benefits, supporting your joints, reducing inflammation, and boosting your immune system. If you're interested in improving your quality of life and potentially increasing your lifespan, bone broth could be an easy and effective addition to your daily routine. Let's see how to incorporate bone broth into your diet. Adding bone broth to your diet is simple and versatile. A common recommendation is to drink 1 cup per day, which can be enjoyed warm on its own or as a base for soups and stews. To make bone broth at home, simmer animal bones, like beef, chicken, or fish, with water, vegetables, and herbs for several hours. If you prefer convenience, high-quality pre-made bone broth is also available in stores. Experiment with different flavors by adding garlic, ginger, or other herbs to the broth. Whether you're using it to boost gut health, aid weight loss, or support overall wellness, bone broth offers a flexible and nutritious addition to any meal plan. In conclusion, bone broth is a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine, offering benefits for weight loss, gut health, and longevity. With its rich blend of nutrients like glycine, collagen, and essential minerals, it supports your body's natural healing processes and helps curb hunger. If you're looking to improve your health and well-being, start by incorporating 1 cup of bone broth into your day. Try it for a few weeks, and you might be amazed at the results.